Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is the ultimate solution, saving you time and counter space. This single appliance replaces 9 common kitchen tools, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, food warmer, sterilizer, cake maker, and steamer. But it's not just versatile. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is truly just a touch away, from perfect poultry to tender chili. Forget complicated recipes. These presets make gourmet meals incredibly easy, even for beginner cooks. Inside, you'll find a durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every time. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and intuitive interface, making high-pressure cooking surprisingly simple and stress-free. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to simplify meal prep in 2025, this is seriously a game-changer. Ready to upgrade your cooking experience? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 directly through the link in our description. It's an investment that pays for itself in time saved and delicious, healthy meals made effortlessly. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our top recommendation for your smart kitchen.